The digital landscape is dominated by a handful of internet giants that attract billions of monthly visitors, shaping global communication, commerce, and culture through their unprecedented reach and influence. Topping the list as the world's most visited website is Google.com, the ubiquitous search engine processing over 8.5 billion searches daily, more than all other search engines combined, with its minimalist interface masking an incredibly complex infrastructure spanning hundreds of data centers worldwide that deliver personalized results in milliseconds. Close behind is YouTube.com, Google's video-sharing behemoth that has become the internet's de facto visual encyclopedia, hosting over 800 million videos and serving as the launchpad for global entertainment trends, with users watching 1 billion hours of content daily, equivalent to over 100,000 years of video consumed every 24 hours. The social media titan Facebook.com maintains its position as the third most visited site, despite newer competitors, with its 2.9 billion monthly active users creating an interconnected web of relationships that spans 60% of the world's internet-connected population. Its newsfeed algorithm alone influences everything from news consumption to purchasing decisions on a planetary scale. China's Baidu.com claims fourth place as the dominant search engine in the world's largest internet market, handling over 15 billion monthly searches in Mandarin, while integrating specialized services like Baidu Baike, China's Wikipedia equivalent, and Baidu Maps that make it indispensable for Chinese netizens. The microblogging platform Twitter.com ranks fifth with its real-time information network that moves global discourse at lightning speed during peak events like the World Cup or major political developments. Twitter sees over 500,000 tweets per minute, making it the pulse of the internet's collective consciousness. Wikipedia.org, the non-profit encyclopedia written collaboratively by volunteers, holds sixth place as the internet's most trusted reference source, offering over 55 million articles in 300 languages, all meticulously maintained by a community of 280,000 volunteer editors who process 350 edits per minute around the clock. E-commerce giant Amazon.com secures seventh position by revolutionizing global retail. What began as an online bookstore now sells over 12 million products across 200 countries, with its sophisticated recommendation engine, analyzing billions of data points to predict consumer desires before they consciously recognize them. The visual discovery engine Instagram.com captures eighth place by mastering the internet's shift toward image-based communication. Its 2 billion users share over 100 million photos and videos daily, while its algorithmically curated Explore page has become the internet's most influential visual trendsetter across fashion, food, and travel. LinkedIn.com, Microsoft's professional networking platform, ranks ninth with its 850 million members, creating the world's largest digital repository of career histories and business connections. Its economic graph project aims to digitally map every company, job, and skill on the planet to optimize global labor markets. Rounding out the top 10 is TikTok.com, the Chinese short video app that achieved meteoric growth by perfecting algorithmic content delivery. Its For You page analyzes over 1,000 data points per user to create hypnotically personalized video feeds that now average 90 minutes of daily engagement per user worldwide. What makes these websites truly remarkable isn't just their visitor counts, which collectively exceed 50 billion monthly visits, but how they've each created self-reinforcing ecosystems that dominate specific aspects of human activity. Google and Baidu gatekeep access to information, YouTube and TikTok control visual culture, Facebook and Instagram mediate social relationships, Amazon dictates consumption patterns, LinkedIn shapes professional mobility, Twitter steers public discourse, and Wikipedia preserves collective knowledge. Their architectures share key similarities. All employ sophisticated recommendation algorithms that learn from user behavior, scale effortlessly across languages and cultures, and have moved far beyond their original functions to become multifaceted platforms. Google now offers everything from email to cloud computing. Amazon provides streaming entertainment and web services. Facebook operates a virtual reality metaverse, demonstrating how these digital empires expand into adjacent territories once they achieve critical mass. Geopolitically, these platforms reveal the Internet's fragmentation. While Western services dominate globally, regional players like Russia's Yandex and South Korea's Naver command their home markets through localized services that outperform the global giants. The websites also showcase technological evolution. Where early leaders like Yahoo relied on human-curated directories, today's top sites leverage artificial intelligence that improves with every click. Their economic impact is staggering. Just these 10 websites collectively influence over $15 trillion in global GDP through direct operations, advertising ecosystems, and enabled commerce. Yet they face growing scrutiny over data privacy, antitrust concerns, and societal impact. The same algorithms that create addictive engagement also spread misinformation and polarize communities, prompting governments worldwide to draft new regulations. Looking ahead, these digital titans are investing heavily in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and blockchain technologies to maintain dominance. Google and Baidu race to perfect AI search assistants. Meta bets on VR social spaces, while TikTok experiments with AI-generated content. Their continued evolution promises to further blur boundaries between physical and digital existence, making these 10 websites not just destinations, but fundamental infrastructure for 21st century life. The digital agora where humanity increasingly lives, works, and connects.